Good morning, students. Today we will revise the chapter number first of your English grammar book, and the name of the chapter is Finding Words in a Dictionary. Students, the words of a dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order so that we can find any word easily. The words in a dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order so that we can find any word easily. So students, in this chapter we will revise to arrange the given words in alphabetical order. How we arrange the given words in alphabetical order. So see the rule first. Words beginning with the same letter are arranged according to the second letter. If the words are given and all the words are beginning with the same letter, then those words will be arranged according to the second letter. For example, here three words are here: credit, clock, and candle. So students, in this in these words, these three words are beginning with the same letter. Rule first, words beginning with the same letter. So credit C, clock C, and candle C. These three words are beginning with the same letter, that is C, C, and C. So these words will be arranged according to the second letter, R, L, and A. So in alphabet, A comes first. So here will be candle. After A, L come. So clock. And after L, R come. R comes. So here will be credit. Candle, clock, and credit. This is the correct one. This is the correct order. If the first if the first letter of the given words are same, then the words will be arranged according to the second letter. See the second example: wet and wait. WEIGST and WAIT. So W and W in both the words are same. So these words will be arranged according to the second letter. So here second letter is E and here second letter is A. So wet will come first and wait will come second. Okay. Now see the second point. If the first two letters in each word are the same, the words are arranged according to the third letter. If the first two letters in each word are the same, then the words will be arranged according to the third letter. Just see the example for better understanding. If the first two letters, the words are given here: crumb, crisp, and cream. So the first two letters in each word are same: CRUMB, CRISP, and CREEP. So these words will be arranged according to the third letter. So what will be first? Creep. E comes first in alphabetical order, and after E, I comes, and after I, U comes. So this will be the correct order: creep, crisp, and crumb. Okay? E, then I, and then U. Okay? Now see the third point. If the first three letters in each word are the same, the words are arranged according to the fourth letter. If the first three letters are the same in each word. Then the given words will be arranged according to the fourth letter. Now see the example. Earth, EARTH, earn, EARN, and EARL. So the first three letters in each word are the same, EAR, EAR, EAR. So these words will be arranged. These words will be arranged according to the fourth letter. So what will be the correct order? L comes first in alphabet, then N comes, and then T. L, N, and after that T. L, earn, and earth. L comes first in alphabetical order. After that, after L, N comes, and after N, T comes. Okay. So students, you can revise, you can practice in such a way. If the first four letters in each words are the same. Now suppose if the first four letters in each word are the same, then the words are arranged according to the fifth letter. So whatever the words, whatever the first letters will be same in each word, then the words will be arranged according to the next letter. Okay, students, now we will know about guide words. What is guide? What are guide words? A dictionary usually has a pair of words at the top of each page. These are called guide words. They guide us in quickly finding the word we want. The guide word on the left tells us the first word given on that page, and the one on the right tells us the last word. Okay? Students, guide words are different in different dictionary. In different types of dictionaries, the guide words are different and the page number will also be different. So you will revise this one with the help of dictionary. So what is guide word? A dictionary usually has a pair of words at the top of each page. Suppose this one is barb and bask is guide word, and it is given on at the top of a page. These are called guide words, and these words guide us in quickly finding the word we want. The guide word on the left, this one, tells us the first word given on that page, barb. It tells us the word barb. It tells us the first word that is given on that page, and the one on the right means this one, bask. It tells us the last word. So barb and bask is the guide words. This one is the first word and this one is the last word, and the page number is 26 in my dictionary. I have a dictionary. Students, always remember that the guide words and the page number will be different in different types of dictionary. So just see here, barb and bask. Here barb is given, here bask is given. In right side, barb is given, and here bask is given. Okay, and the page number is 26. Okay, so you have to find the word bark and bar with the help of this guide words. So bark, B-A-R-K, B-A-R, this is common, and K, it will come between B and S. Okay, so the page number will be what? 26. In the same way, barn, B-A-B-A, that is common in the first word and in the last word. You have to match RN. So it will come between R and S. So the barn, will also be on page number 26. So in this way you will find the words with the help of guide words. Okay, so that's all for today. Properly revise this chapter, properly do the revision at your home, practice at your home. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.